Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Today is National Fajita Day, so I decided to make some fajitas. I got my tortillas, I got my peppers, I got my steak, and I got my chicken, and I got my toppings, and I have my shrimp over here. Let me bring that over here. Sour cream and our shrimp. Okay, so I'm about to plate this up for you guys. National Fajita Day. All these recipes are on my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, bon appetit. Okay, I plated it up for you guys. This is the shrimp fajita. This is the chicken fajita right here in the middle. And that is the beef fajita. So happy fajita, National Fajita Day. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.